Привет, друзья! Меня зовут Aida, and welcome to my channel Russian Easy Learning. This is a channel for those who love Russian language, Russian culture, for those who want to learn and speak Russian. Very often I hear from Russian language learners that they learn new words, but they forget them very quickly. What to do in this situation and how to replenish your vocabulary. If this information is interesting for you, please keep watching this video. Okay, let's get started. And in order to answer the main question, how to learn vocabulary in a smart and effective way, we need to answer several sub-questions. First question, how many words do you need to learn per day? Second one, how to memorize new words? And the last question, how to take notes and reviews. Okay, let's start from the first question. How many words per day do you need to learn? So, the first and very important rule. Please don't count the number of words and do not compare yourself with others. You are unique. Very often I hear this story. My friend learned 100 words per day and I learned only 5 words per day. What's wrong with me? There's absolutely nothing wrong with you. Tell me, why learn 100 words per day if you will not use these words in your conversation? The correct answer is stop memorizing lists of new words. It's absolutely useless. But how to learn and how to memorize new words and new vocabulary? Let's answer this question. The first thing I would like to recommend you if you learn Russian, learn verbs with questions, nouns, and adjectives, but not single words in sentences. For example, let's talk about the verb читать. Читать – it's an imperfective form. Прочитать – perfective form. Читать, прочитать. Что? We use this verb with the accusative case. Make phrase with this verb. For example, читать книгу, журнал, газету. Then you should know the forms of this verb in different tenses. For example, я читаю книгу. Вчера я читала журнал. Завтра я буду читать газету. Я уже прочитала книгу. Я обязательно прочитаю этот журнал. If you've learned 5 words, made sentences with these words, write a text. Believe me, it's 100 times better than memorizing a list of 100 words without any examples, without any context. Learning a language is not showing how many words you know. It's the ability to use these words in the conversation. And the last question, how to take notes and reviews. Actually, now we have many different options. We can use different apps, for example, OneNote, Notability. We can just write down new words in your notebook. Honestly, it's not that important what you will use. The main thing is how do you work with this word? And I mean, you should not just write down a new word in your notebook, you should work with this word. So the main idea of this video, focus on quality, not quantity when you learn a language. Guys, I hope that this video was useful for you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comments. If you would like to see more videos from Russian Easy Learning, please let me know in the comments. And see you. Пока-пока.